Hi guys, in this video we're looking at some of the trunk muscles in this female model. Look at this. This is the pectoralis major. And if we're able to remove the pectoralis major, we would see the pectoralis minor. But in this model it's not possible. So what I would like you to pay attention is to this section, version right here. And what we can see is that right here, the most external one is the pectoralis major, right? And then right underneath it, this has to be the pectoralis minor. And then look at this. Can you see that these are ribs? And our ribs, as I said in the other video, look like a serrated knife. So this muscle now that you have right here is the muscle that is grabbing the ribs anteriorly. Consequently, this is the serratus anterior. Now, if these are ribs, and here we have muscles between the ribs, these muscles have to be the intercostal muscles. And if you would be able to really see it, like the one closer to the external aspect of the body would be the external intercostals, and the one that's closer to the inside of the body would be the internal intercostals. Wonderful. Now let's look in this angle right here at these layers of muscles that we have in the abdomen. Guys, the first thing you need to do is look inside, and you can see that these fibers are running in a horizontal way. We know that horizontal is transverse. Consequently, this is the transversus abdominis. And if we know that this is the transversus abdominis, these two have to be the obliques. This is the one closer to the outside, to the external aspect of the body. So this is the external oblique, underneath the internal oblique. And then we have the transversus abdominis. So again, external oblique, internal oblique, and transversus abdominis. And then here you have the iliacus, because you can identify the iliac crest. This is the psoas major, because the one closer to the major blood vessel. So psoas major and psoas major. And right here you have this muscle that looks like a little square. So this is the quadratus. It is in the lumbar region. Consequently, this is the quadratus lumborum, and you are set. Now remember, this right here is the diaphragm tendon. It is the muscle that the lungs sit on top, and this is the tendon of the diaphragm. But all this, you see, all this is the diaphragm per se, which is the most important skeletal muscle in our body.